It's time, guys. It's time to move this shipping container and get it out of my way. Before we can move this, got a little bit of cleanup to do over there where I want to put it. Let's go check that out. This is right where I want that container to sit, right here. It's almost a straight shot out the driveway, so when somebody comes to pick it up, it's easy to get to, and it's out of my way. I have a feeling this little oak tree right here is going to make it a tight squeeze. It's not too far from this oak tree to that pine tree. Want a little bit of wiggle room. I think having that extra 3 feet right there would be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the backhoe, take that oak tree out of there. That's a little bit wider. Should make it easier to get that shipping container in that spot. Let's go hook a chain to it, to the back of my backhoe. See how easy it is to pull that thing out of there. Well, that's right where I wanted it. Can't complain about that a bit. Didn't take too much. A few logs got destroyed, and we did have one more casualty. Take you over and let you see the casualty. That light right there, it's seen better days. A broken light on the side. Nice little green smudge from the container box. Broken mounting bracket, ripped it right off the side of it right there. Cut the wire. So that little light, it's seen better days. I might be able to fix some of it. Maybe it'll be a light for inside the woodshed instead of outside in the weather. Keep the water away from it, keep it from going inside that little hole and ruining it. But it's my fault. I saw it there a couple days ago when I got back from my little road trip, and I was looking at the container. I said, you know, I should go get a ladder right now and pull that light down, because good chance it's gonna get hurt, get broken. And then I either got distracted or just thought, nah, don't worry about it right now, I'll get it right before I move it. And well, that's what happens. You put it off and then you forget about it and it got broken. We'll see if we can fix it, who knows. Those logs, man, they shift a little bit and they determine which way the container rolls or which way it moves. If the log's at an angle, the container's gonna roll kind of sideways. So that's why I ended up jacking it up with that bottle jack and twisting the log around so I can get out the gate without hitting the gate posts. But the box is moved, it's out of my way. I have plenty of room right in here, all over the place to move a car in the shop, backhoe in the shop, no more squeezing it by. That's a beautiful day. There were some points when I thought that thing was gonna get stuck. I didn't think I'd have quite enough pulling power. With that backhoe's got a low range gears. So it's got a high and a low, and then I think 4 speeds plus reverse. Helps out a lot to have them low range gears. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, check out this other video over here. Hit that subscribe button, little bell for notifications, and the thumbs up button. Help this video get out there, help our channel grow. Until next time, go make something.